to delete archived chat on Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete archived chat on Messenger. For that, open your Messenger application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. Here at the left side, you will find the message list. Here click on any one of the messages and from the drop-down menu, click on this archived chat. Now it will go to the archive section. Now to access the archived chat, click on this dustbin-like icon at the left bar. After clicking on it, you will find the message that you have archived previously. Now to delete it, right-click on the profile name and some drop-down menu will appear. From here, you will find delete chat option. Click on this delete chat and confirm it by clicking on delete once again. This will remove your archived chats from Messenger. So in this way, you can delete archived messages on Messenger. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.